You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this fascinating word. I love this word. The spelling is so strange. And so how do you go about pronouncing this? If you want to learn more names from anatomy, medicine, stay tuned. Ileocecal, which is anything that relates to the ileum and the cecum, all right? So it's the combination. Ileocecal. There's a famous valve, ileocecal valve. How to pronounce in English, pronunciation, ileocecal, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.